right. So, if you have watched the video lesson and you're ready to get started on the journal workbook pages and you feel confident and you have a pencil, you're ready to go. Make sure you're opened up to page 320 and 321. And we're going to start over here with the step in. You do not need to write anything down for the step in. I just want you to follow along with me, okay? So it says there were 105 students in the playground. 3 more students joined them. How many students are there now? So this is just a basic addition word problem. The only tricky part is it's a 3-digit number. Okay, so let's see what our little friend says. It says, it's such a small jump, so it's easy to do it in my head. I'll use what I know from my basic addition facts. Sarah showed her thinking on this number line. So even though this is something we can do in our head, I still like how they're showing it on the number line so that I can see your thinking. Okay, so yes, we know 105 plus 3 more in a snap is 108. And we know that because we're just adding the ones, right? We're just adding 5 plus 8. But look, was it really hard for Sarah to show it on the number line? Not at all. She found the midpoint between 100 and 110, which is 105, and she did one little jump of 3. And her answer is 108. Okay? Let's do the step up together. So number 1, count on and write the totals. Show your thinking. So these are problems just like in the step in. These are quick little problems that I believe you all can do in your head. But I am going to ask you to show it on the number line so I can see your thinking. So the trickiest part here might just be finding the number on the number line. It's not a blank number line like I like, but that's okay because we can do it still. We see 120, 130, 140. That means the midpoint must be 125 is halfway between 120 and 130. From there, can we find where 126 might be? Yeah, definitely. And can we add 2 to that in a snap? Absolutely. Okay. Same thing down here, 116 plus 3. Counting on 3 to 116. Find where 116 would be on this number line, and then instead of taking 3 little jumps of 1, just take a jump of 3. That's what I would do, okay? Number 2, figure out the totals, then write the turnarounds. Turnaround facts are simply the addition problem, but the other way around. Remember? So instead of 106 plus 3, it would be 3 plus 106. Because as second grade mathematicians, we know it does not matter what order you add these numbers in. The answer is going to be the same both times. But it's important that you write the answer twice. So you're going to write the answer with the turnaround fact, and you're going to write the answer the first way they do it, okay? Up here, number 3, complete each equation. Show your thinking. So for A and B, they have some numbers on the number line, so they want you to try and find this number. And remember, we're starting with our bigger number always, no matter what, okay? So find 153. I'm noticing that the midway point between 150 and 160 is right here. So that's 155. So based on that, 153 might be right here-ish. Is that perfect? Probably not, but that's okay. Because I'm going to label it 153. I'm going to try. And then from there, I can take my jump of 10 in a snap, right? I know that I'm going to have to go past 160. I know that my hundreds place will stay the same. I know that my tens place is going to have to go up 1. And I know that my ones place is staying the same because we're not adding a 1. It's still 163. So I would like you to label it on your number line as well. Okay, so you're taking these friendly jumps of 10 to the 3-digit numbers they showed you. Don't let the blank number line scare you. In fact, that should be the easiest one for you to do because you can do this number, you can make the number line however you want. Number 4, figure out the totals. Then write the turnarounds. We know what turnarounds are from way down here, right? 234 plus 30. Taking 3 jumps of 10 from 234, okay? And then you're going to simply write the turnaround fact, which is just like what we did down here. Same thing for B. Remember, if this is hard for you to do in your head, it is not hard at all to grab a piece of scrap paper and make your own blank number line. All you have to do is draw a line, okay? And then you can keep track of your jumps of 10. Your 3 jumps of 10 here and your 2 jumps of 10 here. All right. 5, think of the turnarounds to help you figure out the totals. So the way these problems are shown to us are tricky. It would be hard to start with 1 and add 156. It's hard to start with 10 and add 238. But isn't it easy to start with 238 and add a jump of 10? We probably don't even need a number line for that. Our hundreds place will stay the same. Our tens place goes up by 1. Does our ones place stay the same? Yep. So these ones don't give you much to show your thinking, but if you think about the turnaround facts, I know you all can do them in a snap, okay? And lastly, for the step ahead, write the missing numbers along this trail. So you're starting at 321 and you're just adding 2. When we add 2, are we touching our hundreds? Nope. Are we changing our tens? I don't know. Is there a number in the tens place right here? Nope. So that stays the same too. Are we changing our ones? Yes. We're going up how many? We're going up 2. So we're going to count on from 1, count on 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 323 is your new starting number, and now you're going to add 30. So don't let them trick you. So right here, they didn't have a number in the tens place, so you were just adding the ones. Right here, they do. You're adding 30 this time. They go back to no number in the tens, and then they go back to a number in the tens. So they're trying to trick you, but we are smart 2nd grade mathematicians who are going to work carefully and look closely at the number that we're adding. Okay? Good luck.